So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to link accounts in Total Battle. So first off, you'll need to link your battle account. You'll need to go to main menu and then go to your account. So once you are here and you've opened the main menu. So once you're here at the main menu, you will need to go to your account, which will be at the top right corner of the screen. So let's just click on that. And on here, you can see some different ways that you can connect so you can get some benefits from it. You can do it by linking your email, your game center, your Google account, and your Facebook account. So you can also get asked if you have some other accounts. You can just click on login, and that way it's going to be easier for you to link your accounts moving forward. So you can link through email. You can then link through social networks, as I explained, so through either Facebook or Google, or you can use some game center ID that you have, so you can link it like that. The best way I would suggest is to go through email address. After that, it's going to be just easier for you to use the email address. You don't have to log in through your entire Facebook or Google account, so you can just set it up for your specific Total Battle account. So even when you log in through a different device, you don't have to use your Google or Facebook or some pre-existing accounts in case that you don't want to use those accounts anymore. So you can have just your Total Battle account. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Total Battle or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.